Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox accessories. Have you ever wanted to personalize your avatar with unique items you designed yourself? Well, you're in the right place. We'll go over the entire process, from your initial idea to seeing your accessory in the game. It's a fun and rewarding journey, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. Before you jump into Roblox Studio, the first crucial step is designing your accessory. Think about what you want to create: a cool hat, a unique backpack, or perhaps some stylish glasses. You'll use a 3D modeling program like Blender to sculpt your vision. Remember to keep Roblox's technical requirements in mind, especially regarding polygon count, to ensure your accessory performs well in-game. Once your model is perfect, it's time to add some vibrant textures. Now that your accessory is designed and textured, it's time to bring it into Roblox Studio. You'll import your 3D model and its corresponding textures. The next important step is attaching your accessory to an avatar rig, which helps ensure it sits correctly on characters. Don't forget to configure its properties, like its type and where it attaches. Always test your creation extensively within Studio to catch any little issues before moving on. This ensures a smooth experience for players. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. Once you're happy with your accessory, you can upload it to the Roblox platform. You'll have options to set its price and decide how players can acquire it. Don't be shy, promote your new item to the Roblox community. Engage with players, gather their feedback, and consider making updates to your accessories. This iterative process helps you grow as a creator and ensures your items remain popular and engaging. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.